Meet the ZenaDrone IQ Square. It's a 41-inch by 41-inch AI-powered drone built for precision, reliability, and performance in just about any industry. From construction sites and power line inspections to land surveys and security patrols, even defense ops, this thing does it all. You can swap in cameras and different sensors for any type of mission, and you're ready to roll. You'll get around 20 minutes of flight time, and when it's done, it auto lands and recharges itself on a custom charging pad. No cables, no fuss. Need precision mapping, smart supervision, or maybe even safe power washing of huge structures? The IQ Square can handle it. It's got intuitive controls, built-in collision detection, and the kind of reliability that you need when you're out in the field. That's the ZenaDrone IQ Square, built to fly smarter and work harder.